right here is a Mexican folk story. Right. So the story goes with this is that there was a warrior at one time, an Inca, Aztec warrior at one time, that he was called upon to go battle, and because of the Inquisition being so strong at that particular time, he had to go to battle and leave his wife behind. The crazy part about the thing is that he went to the battle and he ends up surviving the ultimate clash that essentially forces him to retreat in a sense. So when he does lose the battle, he comes back to his pueblo, and when he does come back to his pueblo, the whole thing is eliminated and wiped out, and one of the people that is wiped out is his woman. So the crazy thing is, he takes his woman. I think the story goes that she was wounded, or she had already almost been dead, or she was like almost dead, and like they were at a really high altitude at some point over there. And the moment that she actually ends up completely deceasing, or the moment that he realizes that like he lost the war and his wife and his people and everything, the story goes is that it starts to snow at the very same instant when he begins to light a fire. So I think that was a really powerful indigenous story that has to do with a lot of like Mexican, Aztec, Mayan, Inca, Peruvian, and Moorish continuity and culture. So I think that's something beautiful that everybody could appreciate. I'm gonna pick up the camera right now and I'm gonna bring you closer to the artwork so you can check it out.
Yeah, it would have been 3 to 5. What? It's 3 to 5, right? Yeah, it wouldn't be 3 to 5.
Right, so you can see the brother got the headdress with the feathers. He got some gold on him. Right, so as you can see that there's snow on the tip tops of the mountains, and that's his lady that ends up passing right at the end of the battle. The dude loses his people, his village, everything, and then he comes back and loses his wife as well. So I may not have the story exactly right, but it's still extremely powerful, and those who know. That's the artist right there. 2017, he killed it. At one point, the story was written over here in Spanish, and yeah, if you want to check out the real story, like it's faded, but if you want to check out the real story, you will have to put in